Meet the European robin, a charming little songbird, clad in warm orange and gentle brown, nature's own heart wrapped in feathers. Did you know this feisty fellow can sing over 200 different notes? What a melody! Often seen with its curious tilt, it's not just looking for food, it's searching for connection. Imagine a tiny ball of energy flitting about as if every moment is a delightful surprise. So next time you spot one, listen closely. You might just hear a little love song from the wild.